1, 2, 3. And 4K just said dami. It means many, too many, too many. See? We scouted. I did not push. So, and 4K Jeff said, niregen ko na. It's a Filipino. It said, I'm already in the reach. And 4K said that, I'm already here. Shit, I'm already here. That's why Tom decided to go turn around and push. Down 1. Down 2. Again, we knocked them not because we are stream snipers, boy. We knocked them because on only the game knowledge, the game indicators that they're providing us. If you're mad about that, then remove the in-game indicators. Call them about it. Another indicator. And only notice that the guy running. We are so focused about the kills inside because we're not sure if we are doing the third party or if we are engaging only one team. So we're not sure if the other squads are running. And Tom said loob. It means check the inside. Say patay na loob. It means is the guy inside dead? Because we're not sure how many knocks we got. If we are really stream snipers, again, we know how many people we knocked from that team. And again, we have face cam. This guy, look how we attempt to chase the last guy. There's no capping of dog tags, but it doesn't mean that we should. It doesn't mean that we cannot chase the guy. Okay? Look. He's making a U-turn again. I could just go down and shoot the vehicle. See? I said wag na. It means cut the chase off. Let the guy make a dog tag. And how they respond? They make a content about it. Hey Ferg, look at this. Look how I maneuver, uncle break this. Look how I clutch the dog tags. This is the faker. This is the champion. This is the 4K stream snipers, and they're spreading to their community. Some content creator. Okay, I'm gonna mention him, iFlex, but I think he doesn't mean it. When he wiped us in the Arbitex tournament, maybe he said in the stream. I'm not sure because his viewers came to us saying some language that I don't know, but when I translate it in the Google Translate, it said, "Hey monkey, I'm your daddy. Hey monkey, iFlex is your daddy. Monkey." But again, guys, we are past that. This time, another disrespect from them again. I know iFlex doesn't mean it. Maybe it's just for the hype. Maybe he just want to motivate himself. Because when we visit iFlex, he's a kind guy. He doesn't say